In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add carousel in system.yo. To get started, log into your system.yo account and go to the top menu. From there, click on Funnels. Then open the funnel where you want to place the carousel. Once you are inside the funnel, look at the left-hand column and choose the specific page step that you want to edit. This is important because the carousel will only appear on the page you are working on. After selecting the correct page step, move to the right side and click the Edit Page icon, which looks like a magic wand. This will open the page editor, where you can add and customize elements for that page. Inside the editor, go to the left-hand Elements panel and scroll down until you reach the Media section. In that section, you will find the carousel element. Click and drag the carousel onto your page canvas, then place it wherever you want it to appear. Try to position it in a section where visitors can easily see it, especially if you plan to use it for images, testimonials, or featured content. Once the carousel is on the page, click inside the carousel element itself. This will open its settings in the left panel. Here you can adjust the total number of slides by changing the Number of Slides field. Set this based on how many pieces of content you want to display. Next, click on Slide 1 directly inside the editor canvas. To add content, go back to the left panel and drag elements such as image or text directly into the Slide 1 box. This is where you build the content for that slide. You can combine different elements depending on the look you want. When Slide 1 is ready, use the navigation arrows on the carousel to move to Slide 2. Then drag and drop your content elements into that slide as well. Repeat this process as needed for the remaining slides, making sure each one contains the content you want visitors to see. After your slides are in place, use the left-hand settings panel to configure the carousel behavior. You can turn autoplay on or off, adjust the transition speed, and change the arrow colors so the design matches your page. These settings help improve both the appearance and the user experience. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Save Changes. That will apply your carousel to the page. That covers everything you need to know.